Ito ang ating mga members of the panel of judges with their own field of expertise. Makikita po natin, naka-computer ang ating beauty pageant at nasa harapan nila ang kanilang computer sets. Ang Judge 1, si Mrs. Eulalia U. Hill, isang magaling na administrative assistant. 4, ni Honorable Edwin Reyes of Bansalan, Davao del Sur. Ang ating Judge 2, Mrs. Geraldine M. Labial, a businesswoman and a graduate of BSBA at Coriaso College. At ang ating Judge 3, Mrs. Dinah Brieta, isang di pangkaraniwang beauty titleist, maraming beauty titles ang napapanalunan nito. Judge 4, Mr. Maximo R. Imbudo, from Bala, Magsaysay, Davao del Sur. Maraming achievements, recognitions ang nakuha niya bilang isang regional nominee to the search for 10 outstanding students of the Philippines. First runner-up for Miss Intrams 1999, teacher din siya ng Bala National High School. At ang atin namang extraordinary Board of Judges, Chairman of the Board of Judges, isang lawyer, si Attorney Cesar M. Durisa. Siyam ang mga contestants nagpapamalas ng kanilang kagandahan sa beauty pageant. Bawat departamento ng GSET ay nagkakaroon ng 3 representative. Heto ngayon ang mga mechanics and criteria for judging. The minor and special awards will be included in the computation of the criteria for judging the winners. It goes without saying that 50% intelligence and 50% beauty ang basihan to come up with the total points in the final round. Poise and bearing is 35%, intelligence is 35%, beauty 20%, audience impact is 10% for the total of 100%. For special awards criteria, beauty 30%, body and figure 40%, poise and charm 20%, suitability to the wearer is 10% for the total of 100%. Ito ang mga administrador ng Global Systems Institute of Technology. Engineer Danilo B. Kimco, Chairman. Mr. Noel N. Guya, President. Mr. Alvaro A. Balnaha, Vice President, Mrs. Jermeline A. Bartolome, Secretary, Mrs. Evelyn B. Bongo, Assistant Secretary, Mr. Alfredo B. Pascua, Treasurer, Engineer Jenny Belly Agra, Auditor, Mrs. Jermeline A. Bartolome, Member. Kanilang Administrative Staff, Mr. Noel Nguya, President, Mrs. Jean Michelle Haom Tapion, Registrar, Mrs. Mayomi Kemco Donato, Cashier, Mrs. Alma Guya, Librarian, Mrs. Aiko Vel Guya, Registrar's Clerk, Ms. Helen B. Kemco, Bookkeeper, Mrs. Donna Yutrago Rohiro, Internet Laboratory in charge, Mr. Marvin Mingito, Property Custodian, Mr. Ruel Sereno, Timekeeper, Ms. Doris or Dorisa Tanod-Tanod, Clerk, Mrs. Rodrigo Pascua, School Guard, at ang kanilang faculty line-up na tumutulong sa pag-realize ng Miss GSET: April J. Diolata, Ariel Kimco, Basilio Abrea, Bernandita Garcia, Cheryl May Rodriguez, Leopoldo Alejandro, Jai Dalampinas, Joas Padillos, Melisa Alo, Resluje Cartagena, Roger De La Cruz, and Sheena Mapisa. makikita po natin sa kanila pong casual wear competition, isilang ang kulay pero iba't ibang disenyo. Yan po mga kaibigan ay sinadya at isang bahagi lamang ng cloth or just a matter or just a piece of cloth na gawa itong dinidisenyo ni Mr. Palermos, ang kanila pong choreographer na tumutulong sa pag-realize ng kompetisyon ng casual.